Hello friends, today I will discuss about the moderation. So moderation is a process where anything can be modified. So I am talking in terms of examination. So here moderation refer to moderation of question paper, moderation of result. So my main focus is moderation of results. Because whenever we are going to declare the result can be also moderated, means can be modified. It depend upon some static sub condition. Suppose in case moderation may be conducted in case there are a large number of fail grades or a high grades, or when large number of students who have received the same grade, or clustering of student on the later grade. So there are many conditions on which condition moderation can be done. So here we will discuss about moderation in detail. So a moderation of assessment is an organized procedure where ensure use of valid assessment material and consistent application of criteria to provide fair academic judgment and reliable outcome in form of marks or grade. So there should be a criteria to do moderation. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि रिजल्ट लेके बैठे कुछ भी मॉडरेशन कर दे, बिकॉज देयर शुड बी सम ऑफ condition, rules and regulation, SOP made before implementing the moderation in term of result. So it assures appropriate designing and implementation of assessment activity along with generation of valid and reliable results. Moderation may be conducted in case there are a large number of fail grades. मीन्स मान लीजिए अपने रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करने जा रहे हैं, 50 बच्चे हैं, उसमें पता चलता है कि 35 बच्चों का फेल ग्रेड है, मीन्स इन दैट केस मॉडरेशन कैन बी डन. और हाई ग्रेड मीन्स सभी बच्चों के हाई ग्रेड आ गए, देन इन सम कंडीशन वी कैन डू मॉडरेशन. And also where large number of students who have received the same grade or clustering of student or letter grade, or when there are discrepancies between the grades allocated to individual student in different courses, or to find out the difficulty level of the question paper, or whether the assessment modes used cover the entire syllabus or not. So here इन टर्म ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर आल्सो वी कैन मॉडरेट. बेसिकली मान लीजिए कभी पेपर बहुत ज़्यादा टफ आ गया, कोई बच्चे ने नंबर स्कोर ही नहीं किया, अच्छा नंबर स्कोर नहीं किया, इन दैट केस वी कैन मॉडरेट द रिजल्ट by considering the difficulty level of question paper and syllabus is covered or not. So there are many conditions, by those we can moderate the result. So moderation should be applicable to both external and internal mode of assessment. All program and courses should indicate as a part of their statement and assessment arrangement for the moderation of asset work. This can be done through formulation of a moderation policy and implemented across all the program and courses of instructions and delivery. Okay, the time frame of the moderation should be linked with the time frame of assessment. So one condition is moderation should be applicable both in internal and external, and there should be a policy, standard policies to implement the moderation. In the event a moderation is triggered, an evaluation should be begin with the discussion on the following parts. What are rubric used for each of different type of assessment in the course? Is a standard prescribed rubric use of has the instructor developed his own rubric? If instruction is using a personally framed rubric, so if there is not identified rubric, then how does the assessment map or learning outcome? Means these are conditions we should consider when we are going to implement moderation. The difficulty level of the question paper including in the assessment. Is the difficulty level on the extreme, very easy or very hard? It depend upon the question paper also. The manner of awarding marks. Okay, and each department should establish a committee and designate roles and responsibility at different level for smooth working of moderation process. In order to maintain neutrality, it should be ensured that कि moderator should not be assessor, means जिसने कॉपी चेक की, जिसने evaluate किया, that should not be Moderator. Staff members should be trained professionally in assessment technique and moderation procedure. All assessment material produced by learner, including examination sheet, assignment, project report, should be examined. Higher educational institutions should encourage to make the moderation process online. In this system, assessment plan, moderation plan, assessment tools, sample of which may be submitted online. Moderation reports should be generated online so that the progress can be tracked. The moderation should not be restricted to just assessment but also include moderation of content and assessment design. So this is all about the moderation, how we can do moderation, what condition we should follow, and what applicability we have to consider when we are going to implement moderation. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.